2, 1. Take 1. Aren't we videotaping? You're doing it this time.
Gotta get ready. Alright.
And record. Phase 2.
Wait.
Hey guys, what's up? We're the Open Box Brothers, and today we are gonna be trying
Now
snacks.
we have to redo that.
Hey guys, what's up? We're the Open Box Brothers, and today we're gonna be trying snacks from a brand new place. 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys?
Whoever doesn't have the blindfold on, feeds the blindfolded person each one of these in a different, complicated order, and then we have to guess. The person that's blindfolded has to guess what flavor it is.
Say what?
All right, guys. Let's see what's inside.
Okay.
Pretty sure I always said that, but that's okay. Gosh.
Let's see what's inside.
Bring it up and see what's inside. I hate these kind of packages.
Why don't you just grab the scissors?
Because we're in a video. Safety button. Oh, all these have safety buttons.
I'll just get the scissors.
All right, guys. We both agree that
Always get the mint.
so. Let's give it a try.
You're not gonna be fine. Just open it, dude. It's not hard.
Dude's like belly button, like hanging. I don't know what that is. But it's pretty good.
From Thailand.
Thailand.
Thailand, whatever. Oh.
You laughing at me? Whoa. Oh, that. All right. All right.
Ready to eat?
Just don't want to eat this. Stop.
What is it?
That's peas.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. I need some water.
Ugh. No.
That smells spicy.
Yes, I do.
I can feel a little bit of spice coming out. They're not that bad. Need some Gatorade. To watch that.
Where's my Gatorade?
Right here.
Ew.
That's that's what they look like.
It looks like poop.
Still getting some. Oh no, I'm not eating this. It smells like rice. Oh, that's so disgusting.
Let me see. It smells even worse.
So.
Looks like dog food. That's what we have to do for our fans. We have to, or subscribers. Ew. Ugh.
Ugh. Come on, did you? It's not funny.
It stinks so much, they'll probably smell it from outside the camera.
Silent but deadly. Look, a little baby.
Just like at the movies. No. wafer bar with chocolate cream filling. If we love chocolate, we're gonna love Tim. We got a new special
Bloopers.
guest today.
Bloopers. Here's Ronan, our dog. Leave in the comments down below if you think he's cute.
Please don't pee on the table. Dust it off. Dust it off.
He could just be in our video if he wants to pop up.
Be like, sup? Look at this girl. She's like, he, I will get you. Ding. And this girl's like, hey, what's up? Can you be my friend? Comment down below. And I guess tune in on our next time.
You have to say the thing.